Corp-ABML stock, American Batteries Technology Co. It closed the session of the 7th of December 2021 at $1.22, a gain of 14.55% on a volume of 4.4 million shares, which is regarded as above average. So let's see what the average volumes are indicating. Yes, over the last 10 to 90 trading sessions, yes, it has been above average. And let's see whether we can get the annual average. Okay, yes, lighter than usual. Okay, the average volume per share during the last 12 months is actually 5.499 million. So this is actually lighter than what it's actually can do, lighter than what we have seen it do before. So the news is that this is old, this is not so new. This is as at the 2nd of December, Thursday the 2nd of December. It says here, American Battery Technology Company confirms attractive sampling results on staked lithium claims near Tonopah, Nevada. So the ABTC field team analyzed 29 new surface sample locations along with existing samples previously collected by other parties, and the resulting data demonstrated grades of anomalous reported lithium present from 260 parts per million to 1,530 parts per million in the project area. Samples with values of 300 parts per million and up are typically considered very prospective in nature. The historic samples were analyzed by ALS Analytical Lab in Reno, Nevada, and the samples collected by ABTC were assayed at the American Assay Laboratory in Reno, Nevada. So that was the news. That's I think the most pertinent of the news of any news outcome concerning the stock. So yes, this is what you're looking at right now is a 5-day chart. You can see here it says 5 days. Interval is 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is the smallest interval in the list of the intervals on the chart. So this is what happened. So since yesterday, the 6th of December, the stock has been strongly bullish and extending steeply at that. You can see that, on pretty much on over those two trading sessions, the 6th and the 7th, it has scarcely fell below its 10 and 20-day moving averages. It was just today the 7th, that it fell below the 10 and 20-day moving average, and also just fell right above its 50-day moving average and didn't fall below that, and also started to extend. So sometimes these things can be construed as very strong signals. It's just a validation for those who want to be convinced, and indeed the algos that the momentum is still there. Buyers are still present. They either continue to buy or they probably continue to short or sell, as the case may be. So yes, it has performed very well. You can see that extending steeply, even though this steep angle of attack can be of concern. And what do we have here concerning momentum? Okay, it's yes, just as the stock declined slightly here. So when it did that, momentum also declined. So because of the fact that sometimes momentum precedes price action, because it entered into an overbought condition, it necessitated the sellout or the retracement that occurred. So all in all, it just dropped into the oversold territory and started to extend again. So that's where things finished. So in this post market, I'm not sure if he has gained anything or not, but all in all, the signals look very positive, very bullish over this last 5 trading sessions. So going by all of these things, going by all that we're seeing, this is just one case. This is the only time it fell sufficiently below. As a matter of fact, this is the only time it fell below the 10 and 20-day moving averages since the last 2 trading sessions. So what can be construed from there? Well, the fact that it didn't fall below a key support level, which is the support that the 50-day moving average is providing, it can also be construed as positive, and it pivoted from there and extended, closed at where it closed. So the signs, the signs are there, the bullish signs are still very much there, you know, and that's not so far off from this peak of 1.268. So given all that has happened now, we can just see if we can determine a price target for ABML, probably in the subsequent sessions, in the next 2-3 subsequent sessions. So let's see what we can do. So we take this price of $1.27 and 1.27, and then take this low of 1.20 minus 1.204. We get 0.066 times 2.618 to give us 0.172788. We add it to the closing price of, what's the closing price? The closing price is, or rather, let's take the current price of 1.30. Let's take 1.30 plus 1.3. It will take us to 1.4727. So that's our price target. Is it possible that it can get there? There's every chance it can get there. 1.47. That's our price target. And yeah, that's our price target based on what we have seen it do in this last session of the 7th of December 2021. So see what you make of ABML stock, and we'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.